Yes, welcome back to our continuation of our video series. Today we are going to look at projectiles and we are going to explore what they are. Although most of the projectiles are covered in A level, for now we just let you know that there is something called a projectile. Now what is a projectile? Anything you give a velocity or anything which has a velocity and moves in the gravitation field is what we call a projectile. What is a gravitation field? A gravitation field is a field where we're having a force of gravity anywhere in the atmosphere of any planet, as long as there is a force of gravity. If you throw anything there, it is likely to undergo a path which we call a trajectory. So, if anything is given an initial velocity and it moves in the gravitation field, we say it is a projectile. That was a projectile. Well, so for now we are only going to focus on something which we are projecting horizontally. If you push anything horizontally, there you're giving it a horizontal projection. Now, if you push anything horizontally, you're literally giving it a horizontal projection, and your equation is supposed to be S is equal to ut plus a half at squared. This is horizontal projection. At this level, we only look at a horizontal projection as you look at other projections in A level. So for a horizontal motion, since it's moving, it has been projected horizontally, it is not going to be having any initial velocity in the vertical because it has been projected horizontally. And the fact that it has been projected horizontally, we are going to be having a horizontal motion and a vertical motion. Now, in other cases, we are going to be having our equations apply because this is a motion in a straight line. Now, since this object is moving in the gravitation field, the acceleration it has is a g, and we only have this acceleration if something is moving in the gravitation field. It means we are not going to have the acceleration in the horizontal motion. The acceleration in the vertical motion is going to be a g. Mind you, a motion under gravity is always in the vertical direction. So if we try to modify our equations, we are going to have S is equal to ut plus a half 0 t squared. And this gives us S is equal to ut. Similarly, if this body is moving in the vertical motion, if this body is projected horizontally, then its initial velocity vertically is a 0 because it was projected horizontally. So the speed initially in the vertical is not there. The speed we gave it was horizontal. We never gave it any vertical speed. So it means the initial velocity in this case will be a 0, and your equation will become ut gt squared. Where there is acceleration, we put a g. Where there is initial velocity, we put a 0. and therefore the displacement in the vertical will become a half gt squared, and the displacement in the horizontal will become ut. So we are going to be using these two equations to solve some equations. S is equal to ut, sy is equal to a half t squared, gt squared. How have we got that? If I project anything horizontally, I'm not giving it a vertical velocity. The vertical velocity is a 0. So this equation becomes, I put a 0 here. Since it is in the gravitational field, the acceleration will be a g. Similarly, when giving it a horizontal velocity or a horizontal projection, it's not going to move. It's going to have only one acceleration, and this is always a vertical acceleration. It has never been a horizontal acceleration. So the acceleration in the horizontal will be a 0. Let's do some examples using these equations.